silence of your heart, you will find me.